In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view photos in iCloud on your iPhone, iPad, and PC. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to access and enjoy your precious memories stored safely in iCloud with ease. So let's get started and explore the simple steps to ensure you can view your photos effortlessly across different devices. First, let's take a look at how to set up your iPhone or iPad. On your device, go to the Settings app. It's usually represented by a grey gear icon. Once in settings, tap on your name at the top of the screen. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. Next, select iCloud and then tap on Photos. Here you want to make sure that iCloud Photos is turned on. This setting allows your device to sync photos across all devices registered to your Apple ID using iCloud, ensuring you can access them from anywhere. Once you've confirmed that iCloud Photos is enabled, open the Photos app on your device. This app is where all your memories are stored and organized. Inside the app, tap on the Library tab located at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll find all of your iCloud photos. You can scroll through them, search for specific moments, and reminisce as you please. Now let's explore how you can access these same photos from your PC. If you prefer using a computer or simply want a larger screen to view your photos, accessing them via a browser is equally straightforward. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to iCloud.com. Once there, sign in with your Apple ID. It's important to use the same Apple ID that's associated with your iCloud account to access your photos. Once you're logged into iCloud.com, you'll see a series of icons representing different apps within the iCloud suite. Click on Photos, and you'll be taken to your photo library. Here you can view all the images saved on iCloud. This platform allows you not only to browse your photos, but also to download them to your computer if you want to store them locally. What's more, you can share photos directly from iCloud.com, making it easy to send them to friends and family without having to download and re-upload images. And there you have it, a simple and quick way to access your iCloud photos, whether you're on your iPhone, iPad, or PC. Ensuring your memories are readily available whenever you need them is just a few taps or clicks away. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy exploring your cherished moments with ease.